Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Like many of you, I expect, I spent a fair bit of last week reading up on this new Chinese large language model, DeepSeek, which has been launched as an alternative to ChatGPT. And there's been a huge amount of hype around it. But also, very quickly, there was a backlash against it, as it became clear that it's been trained on, shall we say, borrowed data sets. It's also been heavily censored and trained not to give out information about things like the massacre of pro-democracy demonstrators in Tiananmen Square in 1989. And also, because of possible links to the Chinese government, there are concerns about data privacy with it. Anyway, needless to say, I won't be downloading it or using it or hyping it up. We often begin a sentence with needless to say to show that something is obvious, something is as you would expect. It's basically a way of saying, yeah, and of course. Here are some more examples. I had to phone my son's school last week and let him know that he wouldn't be coming in because on Wednesday he fell over quite badly in the playground. I spent 4 hours in A&E, accident and emergency, with him, getting it checked out. And on the Thursday morning, I had to phone his school. I explained that he'd been in this fall, he'd smashed up his arm quite badly. It wasn't broken, but his wrist was badly sprained and his arm was bruised. And needless to say, he wouldn't be coming into school for a couple of days. Maybe you might hear people complaining about their partners. They might say, "Oh, he went out drinking with some of his old work buddies and he didn't crawl home until 2 o'clock, blind drunk." Needless to say, I told him he was sleeping on the sofa downstairs. And one more example. You might be looking at some things that you'd like to get done on your house. So maybe you recognise that the front of your house looks a bit shabby. It could really do with a new coat of paint. And you recognise that this is a great idea. But, needless to say, the real issue is the cost. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use needless to say.